I got these from Macy's backstage, and I also got these. I thought these were pretty. And I set them all out, but I like these round ones. I definitely think the black is better. I like the black. So I'm gonna just hold the black. So I want to show you guys, I actually borrowed these books from the library, you see. I have until October 30th to take them back, but I figured because I'm always ordering books and then, I mean, to this point where it's in excess and then I never get to them. So I said, let me just order a couple of books that I think I'm interested in that's very autumn coated. So we have this Half-Baked Harvest Quick and Cozy, Purely Pumpkin, which this I looked through and I'm actually going to order that one. I like this book. Has a lot of recipes. Though I don't follow recipes because I have a problem. I don't know what it is about me that cannot follow recipes to the T. But, you know, this is good for ideas. Okay? This one I haven't looked through yet. But, again, they're from the library. If I really want them, at least I can look and see if I'm interested in keeping them for a longer time than just a little borrow. And then if I am, I'll just purchase them. But for now, this is a good idea. Like if you don't want to buy books, but you want to use books to decorate your house, switch them out every once in a while, just borrow them from the library. And it also keeps our library thriving. I think it's very important that our children get to experience the library the way we did. I'm going to run out the house, but when I come back, I'm going to make a dessert. A little healthy-ish dessert out of these pears. These pears smell so fragrant. They're so ripe. They're so ready. Like baked pears with some Greek yogurt. Just as a little healthier option than like ice cream. Although I think I would prefer ice cream, but we're gonna see. Trying to get a little bit better at the sweets and snacking. So yeah, I'm gonna make that a little later. All the stuff at Hobby Lobby. You did? Yeah. Did you like it in here? Yeah. I like it too. Oh yeah? I'm trying to think if I should get. I think I'm gonna get this. And I don't know. I'm not sure. So much to choose from. These are like. What? I'm not sure. That's delicious. That's good. Oh God. Oh, this one's cool. Blinged out.
Yeah.
That's the one you want.
Yeah.
This stuff is so good.
a peach.
That one does look like a peach. That's beautiful. I want that one.
Hot. This is hot.
That one's cool. Let's see what variety that is.
Gotcha.
Put it in the bag.
Okay. Does someone want to buy my pumpkin?
Yes, I'll buy a pumpkin from you. Oh, this one's a cute one. You know, I like tiny things.
Do you want our bumpy ones?
The bumpy ones are cool. They give character. I'll take one of those. I will not take him, though. Go.
Mom.
You want to go in there? Yeah. Children at the corner. There you go. Bunny. Trick or treat. Hey, Bunny. What's up?